Oh man. All right, so that was a hell of a couple of weeks. So my last video, I was plowing some snow here and I was sick. Come to find out, well, I thought I had a cold. I didn't. I had COVID. So that week I had COVID. You say that kind of put me down for a week. We had, in that same week, we had 3 snowstorms, 1 rainstorm. Then I got back to work. Was there for a few days, well, probably a week. Oh yeah, I gotta plow more snow today too because it snowed yesterday. I'm gonna go get a jug of fuel and stuff and get things fired up. But Sunday, I'm not going to put any footage of it on here. You want to see, like, there's a couple short videos and whatever. Like, there's a lot on Facebook, my Facebook. But Sunday, say I was back to work, about a week, about 10 to 3, everything went to hell, literally. We were cleaning out the barn and I went into the sawdust room. I was bedding up some heifers and I could smell smoke in there, and I went out and mentioned it to Reed and asked if anybody was burning stuff around. He said not that he knew of, and I had a bad feeling. I was going to go into the haymow and look around, just because they say I had that feeling. Anyways, just then he opened the door to go out back to move a tractor, and there's a fire out there, and like it just like it went just so bad so fast. Like, it was a nightmare. I don't know, 10 to 3 maybe. Just tried getting it out, and it's like I've been in situations before where like a fire starts and just immediately get right on top of it and it's out, no damage, like everything's fine. Like, that did not happen this time. It just started, and tried getting it under control and it wasn't getting under control, and I'm calling 911 trying to stay calm, and it just went from the snap of a finger. It went from trying to put it out to getting cattle out of the barn, and we got 42 out. Like, so say the family I worked for, they lost dry cows, calves. My bulls that I had for beef, they were in there. I lost them. Yeah, it was just it's been a rough couple of weeks, and say it was just hell, and I hope nobody ever has to go through that. So anyway, like yesterday, that happened Sunday, and yesterday was Tuesday. Like, I didn't even leave here Tuesday. Yesterday, like, it was just, couldn't even leave here. I was just so far run down. Just, I had a headache and tired, but today I'm functioning. So I think tomorrow start getting around, check on some surviving cattle, try and get a plan together. But in the meantime, here with this, that camper trailer, like, there's a bit of good news here, I guess. This whole kind of area, like, there's a house here at one time and a garage kind of over here. And the reason it was put here is because the property line was supposed to be on this side of it, kind of coming up the driveway. And apparently they built the house like 40, everything that was here was built 40 something years ago, and they guessed the line was out here. They must have just guessed, because come to find out, the line's actually behind that, like 30 feet probably on the other side of that building. So I own a bit more land here than we thought. That mill building is on me. So I've been cleaning this area up, but I wasn't putting any work into it, so to speak. So now I am. I'm gonna put some work into that, make it into a nice workshop. I think I'm gonna come off this end with a lean-to, and might just come out of here with a lean-to. There's that tire changer sitting there. When my neighbors moved last spring, they gave me the tire changer and the camper trailer. But where that's sitting, there is concrete, so I can make like a nice little work area there, like for doing tires and stuff. So yeah, I got some stuff around me now. So like this, the hay rake, like say trailers. But at the time, when I got this stuff, we didn't know we owned this. So I was going to use that, just kind of work out of whatever, I don't know, it was free. But now I'm stripping that all out, and that's going down to the bare frame. I'm going to make a tandem axle work trailer out of it. I should be able to get 6-ish feet wide and about 12 feet long for a deck. Kind of a mess in here, but I'm picking away at working at it. Like the ceiling's coming down. But I was gonna gut this out anyway and make it into something else, but now that I have that, it's just, I'm gonna put that effort into that and say this can go to a tandem axle work trailer. So I guess I better stop talking. I gotta get up the road, check on see how the Tituses are doing. Say I didn't get up there yesterday. So do that, get some fuel, say get my yard scraped out, and see how things go from there. So anyway, it's enough rambling for now. I gotta get out of here and get some shit done. So anyways, so say maybe I'll do some footage of getting some snow moved here. Should try and break my road out. I haven't been out there yet, my woods road, but do this, and say I should try and get that broke out somehow today, somewhat, because there's supposed to be another storm coming Saturday. But in a way, it's kind of the least of my worries right now. But anyways, say I'll stop talking, get around. I gotta check on some people and get some fuel, and maybe I'll relax and have a beer. Anyway, later.